Friends, now I want to explain about the what is the meaning of the rate of diffusion. In this case, in terms of volume of the gas, the rate of diffusion is equal to the how much volume of the gas diffused by, that is time taken, that is rate of diffusion, that is how much of volume, that is R1 by R2 is equal to V1 by T1 into V2 by T2. That is equal to the rate of diffusion, we know molar mass M2 by M1 in terms of volumes. If you take the distance traveled, based on that only you can also identify the rate of diffusion. That is equal to distance traveled by the gas by time taken. That is R1 by, don't confuse, this is not density, this is the distance. R1 by R2 is equal to D1 by T1 divided by D2 by T2, that is equal to M2 by M1. That is the gas, how much distance traveled. That is also affect the rate of diffusion. That's why we have to consider in case of distance also we have to measure based on the diffusion. In terms of moles, number of moles, if you take in case of number of moles is traveled, transfer, that is rate of diffusion, that is R1 by R2 is equal to N1 by T1 N2 by T2, that is equal to the molar mass of M2 by M1 square root of M2 by M1. These three are very important in case of the problems, that is volume, distance traveled, and also number of moles transferred. These, based on these three, you will get many problems. Next, how to take one problem, that is XML of hydrogen effuses through a hole in 5 seconds. Find the time taken by the same volume of the oxygen to effuse through a same hole. Means in terms of volume, R1 by R2 is equal to V1 by T1 divided by V2 by T2 is equal to molar mass of M2 by M1. V1 is XML by time taken is 5 seconds divided by X, same amount of same volume, by T is equal to square root of molar mass of oxygen is 32 by molar mass of hydrogen is 2. 2 divided by 6, root 16 is equal to 4. That is T by 5 is equal to 4. Time taken is T is equal to 20 seconds. This is third option is correct. This is about the meaning of rate of diffusion in different terms, in case of volume, in case of distance, in case of moles. This is very important. We get the many problems in the examination. Thank you, friends.